everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry about this past weeks. I know I haven't posted last Friday for the first time in almost a year, and I also have been doing a lot of videos without voiceovers. This is basically because I was very stressed out about classes, because I was just about to finish and I had a lot of projects and tests to take. I'm sorry about that. Hopefully things will be back to normal now. I'm on vacation already and I've passed all of my tests so far, and I think I will pass the last one I am waiting to know about. So yeah, that's great. I'm very happy about that, and I'm thinking about starting to make 2 videos a week, but for now I'm gonna stick to this video for this Friday, and while I set up back in my house, I'll try to think about ideas and things to get the videos back on track. And hopefully I'll try to cover a lot of different topics and things, and maybe do some more interesting videos than just recording my drawing process. I don't know, maybe just talking about art books or art supplies or something like that. If you do have any suggestion you would like me to take for these videos I'm gonna make, I will be happy to know about it. It will help me to know what do you usually like to see when you watch videos, like art related videos. I don't really have a particular topic today. I just wanted to apologize for my lack of commitment to this YouTube channel in the last few weeks and announcing this change of schedule. So I'm balancing different options now. I'm thinking just adding a new video, for example on, I don't know, Mondays or Tuesdays, or just change the schedule a bit and make them, I don't know, Wednesdays and Sundays or something like that. I don't know, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna try to see how much time do I have for this. And I'm thinking about trying to get a job this summer, so if I do get a job, I will probably won't be able to record that many videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to start implanting it, and if it works then I'll keep it going until I'm back to classes. So yeah, that's the plan for now. I'm really hoping to create a lot of art this summer. I'm hoping to work on a couple of projects I have in mind that might be very interesting, and also I'm planning on doing a lot of studies, and I've been wanting to do this for a year, but I can never bring myself to it because I have so many things to do, and when I draw I just want to unwind and doodle and do something I really like and I really enjoy. And sometimes studies are fun, but sometimes are just something, you know, their name says it, they're studying, so sometimes you just don't feel like it. So I'm hoping to do that this summer, and maybe I can do videos related to that and things like that, and it might be fun. That was all for today's video. I might put some music on for you to finish watching this video. I also want to let you know that I'm probably not gonna finish Mermay. I might create a few more mermaids, but maybe I won't. It's basically because I've been drawing a lot of mermaids but feeling pressured about creating a lot of mermaids for Mermay, and I haven't been doing that, so I kind of feel bad. So I'm thinking maybe just drop it out. I've created quite a few mermaids that I'm quite proud of, and I think that's enough for now. Maybe next year I will do better. And yeah, that was basically it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and watch this little process of me coloring this sketch. I hope to hear your opinions about everything I've talked of, and I wish you a very happy weekend. Bye!